Okay, my friends, this is from Carly Casella, Nature, 21st of December, it's today, 2022. They found a yellow brick road in a never-before-seen spot of the Pacific Ocean. And they're saying, wow, look at this, yellow brick road. Well, that's what's called tessellated. I'll show you. All right, now this was found just north of the Hawaiian Islands. Okay, my claim is that this is some sort of a cellular form from an absolutely enormous creature. And you're going to say, Roger, that's insane. And I say, yes, it is. But it doesn't mean it isn't true. All right, these are tessellated pavement tiles, they call them. They're right on the ocean. Let me show you something else that's on the ocean. That is some form of cellular, could be membranes, it could be muscle tissue. They all form in little blocks in your body. Okay, this is out on the coast of Oregon. This is my friend Tyson. It's Tyson's Mudfossil Adventures, if you want to go up and watch the things he has. This is the bottom layer of a membrane. These are the channel holes. That little thing right there, I believe, is this spring. Now, up above is 6 feet. There's another layer up above. This stuff is all washed out. Let me show you something from the United Kingdom. This stuff gets very large. That right there is interstitium. That's skin, or they call it mucosa, either or. It could coat an organ or it could be skin. This appears to be skin. And these are the balls that have eroded from that fleshy area and fall in here. They're very tough. They hold all that gooey stuff in your body. This is how big it is in us. That's how small it is. This is extremely, this is the same as that. And these balls are the same as these little balls in here. Now, it's all over the earth. These balls, these are what they call interstitium balls, and they hold the rubbery, flexible tissue around organs and your skin and all that. So it's supposed to be anchored in one place, and it can stretch and move around and it come back. And it's all eroded. This is all over the earth. The earth is a corpse and it's a body. There's nothing but biology here.